Right guys, we are leaving Warendorf now for Münster. Yeah, just a change of plan. I was waiting for the train for Bielefeld and it was too late. I could not stand it to wait any further. Then I saw the bus heading to Munster, just arrived, and then why not just head to Munster? Let's go. Every time guys we are going by train, so why not try the bus? So also by bus we are also doing a city hopping, so just left Warendorf, next stop is Freckenhorst, and then Everswinkel, and then Munster. Guys, we are going through Freckenhorst now. So Freckenhorst is just a small city on the countryside. So Freckenhorst is where we normally come Sunday for church service. This is where Connie's church is located. Okay guys, we are here in Everswinkel. Small city on the countryside, just a little bit bigger than Sassenbeck. Yeah, guys, from Warendorf to Münster, the actual distance by bus is 45 to an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. Welcome to the famous Münster Canal. Welcome to Munster, guys. I used to play in a pub, at a bar, in a bar. So before, there's a bridge in front here. So before you reach the bridge, there's a road going on the left. It's heading to the bar, which I normally play every Wednesday. It's not a nightclub, it's just a bar where people just chilling and drinking here on the left. Yeah, I can see it from here. It's called Pangaea Bar. Long time, and we are back in Münster, the city of bicycles here in Germany. Oh. We were here last week, but I mean, long time we are here doing vlog again in Münster. All right. So today is a Tuesday. The city is not that full like it used to be on the weekend. Look at this, guys. This is Lambert Church. This is Lambert Church. Beautiful weather, guys. Could see people still enjoying wearing their summer clothes, going as a friend or family by bicycle. So we are just here. The reason we are here because I just wanted to like do a bus ride or city hopping. So on our way back we'll catch the train heading to New Warendorf and New Münster, then Altstadt, and then Warendorf, and then from Warendorf Garejao by bicycle back home. Guys, if you would have a chance to come to Munster, this is a new, I think, Indian restaurant. It's a new curry restaurant. Oh, look at the bright shining sun here. Bonami is the new Indian restaurant. I don't know, Indian or, but curry, special curry here. If you are a curry lover, this is where to go. Bonami. Some say love, it is a river that round the tannery. Some say love, it is a razor that souls to bleed. I say love, it is hunger and endless aching. I say love, it is a flower, and you is only seed. Main city center in Münster. You can see Lambert on the far end. Lambert Church, the cathedral. Guys, if you go this way, this side, it will lead you to the ice cream shop where Connie and I used to get ice cream, used to buy our ice cream. So these last few days before the summer ends, people are just enjoying the day, going on a bicycle. And also, guys, now there's a lot of sales going on. Shops trying to get rid of the summer clothes, and so that they can start selling the winter clothes. Winter jackets for ladies. Guys, this place is always full here. This bar and dinner. People enjoying the dinner or some drinks before they head back home. Yeah. So our window shopping today. Okay, have a look. Have a look. Have a look at this, guys. See how expensive these watches are. Panerai. Botto. 7,000 euros. Wait, 6,450. The one right at the back. What's the brand? Ka something. Carriera. Oh, look at this one, guys. It's 9,150. So window shopping at its best. Beautiful flowers. Okay, now we have to walk back to the train station to catch our train. Yes, one day, guys, I'll try to come by bicycle. I've done it many times.
Do you see the cages up there?
Yeah.
I've done it many times coming by bicycle. So, but I haven't make a vlog out of it. Maybe one day I'll try. This is the camera shop, which closed. It's closed. Look at the lens. Refill cost does 440, 75 mm, 45 mm, 375, 40 mm, 550. Boah. Oh, Nikon. It's the brand. Nikon camera, 1015. Beautiful fountain beside the Lambert church. There you go, guys. I think on my last vlogs I was showing it to you guys that there's a cage up there before the yellow lights ladders, like at the bottom of the ladder. There's 3 cages. That's where they normally put the slave. Yeah, that's where they normally put the slave and cage them there, arrest them. So they put the slaves there until they die. So I'll just take a break here, have some food before heading back to the train station. Guys, I don't know what's the name of this bar. I think there's a live band going on. So I don't know what's the name of the bar, guys. Oh, here. Der Buntyvogel. Buntyvogel? Vogel is a bird, but I don't know. Yes, I think you have to pay to go inside. But we are just heading to the train station. And yeah. I don't know what's this sacred building. Guys, we are here in the Stadt Museum here in Münster. So yeah, this is the main entrance, Stadt Museum. So this is the main street. So if you go straight this way, it will lead you straight to Lambert Church. So if you have a chance to come to Munster and explore Munster, that could be the clue for you to find the city museum. Look at all these bicycles, guys. Woo! Tumevitsingo. I was just saying, like, if this bicycle would be like this in Fiji. Woo! Look at all these people going by bicycle. It's famous here in Munster, the city of bicycles. And this is the park where all the gangsters always like do some deals and stuff. I know a lot of like gangsters here in Munster, and many of them used to sit around here. The reason is, guys, I have a homeless friend here in Munster. So that's how I come to know Munster, because of my homeless friend. He told me everything about the city. (1945) 1990. I don't know what does this signifies. Is there anything we have to read here? Any bush scooter, Munster, 1960. Any bush scooter, like the chains tying up two large stones. Okay guys, crossing here in Germany is so strict. You hardly see people would cross on a red light. They will all wait for the green light and they will cross. So now it's green. Now we can cross. Here's the Royal Donuts. Here you have the city spa. And also if you want to design your fingernails and stuff. Okay guys, so this is the Geopair. Yeah, this is the train station. I want to show you guys why Munster is regarded as the city of bicycle here in Germany, in Europe, maybe in the world. There you go guys, look down there. So this place is just special for people with their bicycles. So that's the like entrance that side, where you follow down the road, and then you can park your bicycle down there and get a ticket, so that you know which row, which column you parked your bicycle here. Look at all these bicycles. These are not bad ones. These are super used one, like recent. See, so you can pull this down and then put your bicycle on top and then push it up again, then lock it there. It has rows and what column. So this is the entrance. You go down this way. See, one lady is there. It's like a front desk. It's like an office. So this is where you can catch a taxi, and also, yeah, police station beside it. So Münster West Hauptbahnhof. Alright, let's go catch the train and let's go home. This is the train to Düsseldorf. Oh, sorry, Dortmund. It's the train to Dortmund. RB50. Ours is RB67. RB67, Bielefeld. Okay guys, we are leaving Münster now for Warendorf. Alright guys, we are here in Warendorf. Okay guys, we have to cross to the other side, but we have to go down the steps. As you could see, the train still there guys. Okay, now I'm making my way making my way to Tavale Eugen's house to pick up my bicycle. Let's go. Guys, my Tavale's neighbor, just opposite their house, the lady was looking outside the window. She thought that I was like a thief. I don't know. Alright, well now we are leaving for Fassenberg. Let's go. Alright guys, we are going home now. I'm on the bicycle. The road is super empty. I think guys, the neighbor from my Tavale is super afraid because it was super dark and I was taking out the bicycle. Maybe the police will try and maybe she called the police. It's green. Let's go. Let's go before it's red. Oh, the police is there. There's up with the police. But I took off my headphones because it's not allowed to listen to music while going on the bicycle. Okay, we are in the city of Wagendorf now. Going through the city. Now we'll go through the bar and the place where I was singing last time. Restaurant. I have to put the lights down because some people always complain. So this is extra blood. It's full. The power driver, the power. We will just stop here. I want to fix something. Guys, we are going through the hospital now. So this is the hospital here in Warendorf. left here. So cold, super cold. Yes, I would say if the police also tried to catch me, they couldn't, because the route which I took is only for bicycle. It's so small. Right, so now we are going past the old army camp. Let's go home. Now I can put the light up. If there's no car coming, I can put it up. Guys, I don't know if you can see the moon or the night there. Oh, super beautiful. It's half moon. First time I came here like alone in the dark after my German class. Oh, I was super afraid. But now just put on the headphone and blast the music and sing loud. Let's go! Hey, veikilain rumbu vina, vei makila enande itunga. Na punai. Ka dona Wapat mai beyau Ibu senikau. Hey, one mouse crossed the road. Mai ta raya repang ma pesumai sering alili sau. This is the best time for me to sing loud. Going by bicycle alone in the bush. Woo! Nongum daulo mani. Veyawaki Maina sere rek makila Koinanga Nabulani Bambe. Rosini utongule ola singa. This e-bike, guys, I'm going now on the speed of 27 kilometers per hour. It's good that I know the roads really well. Right, this is a shortcut home. We have to turn left here. You can hear that I'm clicking the gears, so I'm changing the gears. So now going up, and here slow down, check the traffic, then go, then up again. Then here left, check the traffic, no traffic, go. Another right here. Let's go, the bow driver, the bow. Uambalendina, no murekdaki. Sabakala, kamuni mataka, ola ena vangangara. Tan so tan vangangara. So guys, this is my doctor here on the left, and this is the Catholic church beside the house, and here on the right is the bar. Welcome to my Yasa Yasa. Welcome to my Yasa Yasa.